Hi, I'll be here to show you a dance called Halloween Hide and Seek. This is a 64 count one wall dance. You do a lot of repetition in it, so it feels more like a 32 count dance. So I'm going to turn around and show you the steps. First 8 counts of this dance, make sure weight is on your right when you're done. Okay? Also notice that my hand will be pointing like it's touching the doorbell. Okay? Here we go. Weights on your left, start with your right. Side rock, recover, step back. Side rock, recover, touch back, turn. Weight is on my right. Okay, we'll do that again. This time with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Okay, the next section, we're going to want to do a right side rock recover. So we need to bring the left foot in with weight so we can do that right side rock recover. And side rock recover. Now we want to do our left side rock recover. We've got weight on it. We bring that right foot in for and count. And side rock recover. Now we're going to do a jazz box cross. Right jazz box cross. So one more ball step for 8 and count. And then your jazz box. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you do those 2 sections again for sections 3 and 4. They're exactly like 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. We're going to take kind of like skate steps in a way. I don't know what else to call them. Just kind of step touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to step a quarter with our left foot to the left and do a couple sweeps. 1, 2, 3, 4 into a left jazz box quarter turn touch. 5, 6, 7, 8. You do those 2 sections again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the whole dance. We're going to do round 2 because after round 2 starts the 32 count tag, which is just 8 counts done 4 times. Got to scoot up here a bit more. Okay, so from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the tag. You're going to side rock, recover, step back, step to the side, cross, and you're going to do 2 taps to turn a quarter, 6, 7, weights on your left, and you're going to whip your head to the left, 8, and you're going to do that 4 times. So let's do that tag one more time. It counts this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the last one, you don't flip your head. So you do one more round of that, and that's your last round. You do one more round of it. And you're going to do that. You're going to do a 4 count tag and then do the 32 count tag. Okay, and all the 4 count tag is 1, 2, 3, 4. The side rock recover, back rock recover, and then you do that same 32 count tag after you do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're just going to stand there and rock back and forth until the music stops. We all stop at the same time. So that's the dance. I hope you can learn that from my video. And I'll give you the link to the girls that are demoing that dance, and they look great. And that's how I'd like us to look. Thanks for watching.